All right, guys, that was my cousin Josh's 1993 Fox Body Mustang with a turbo 351 Windsor. It's got a turbo 400, yeah, Chevrolet transmission, stall converter, 8.8 axle, 31 spline with 31 spline axle shafts. What else does it have? Aluminum heads, Holley intake. It's got the, what's it called? The Holley Dual sync distributor. It's on a Terminator. It's a pretty mean ride, and I appreciate him taking me to the drag strip today. We was out at Brainerd Drag Strip, or Brainerd Optimus Drag Strip in Ringgold, Georgia. Bill Austell was there. Got to talk to him. Overall, good day. Ate some champies. Oh, our buddy Andy was there too. Andy, thank you both for hanging out. But yeah, that's my cousin Josh's car. Wicked little Fox Body, and I hope y'all enjoy.